Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel after a long time with a brand new video. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you install macOS Big Sur in VMware Workstation Pro in your Windows PC. So you can experience the Apple macOS, and if you want to buy it, so you can experience it at first. So if you have any queries at the end of this video, feel free to comment that in the comment box. And then please, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and my WhatsApp channel. So now let's start this video without any further hesitation. So friends, I hope that you can see my PC screen. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to install the required files that you need to install macOS in your virtual machine. Okay, so at first you need to open any web browser. I'm opening Google Chrome. At first you need to download the VMware Workstation, that is the virtual machine, okay, in which the virtual machine will run. Okay, so at first to download it, you need to open this website. I will provide this link in the description box. So this is the VMware Workstation Pro, okay, and this is now available for free. So I am showing you how to download it. Open this link and then scroll down and you will find this option, VMware Fusion Pro and VMware Workstation Pro. You need to download the Workstation Pro. This one is for macOS, okay. So download this one for Windows. And now it's loading. Now you have to sign in, okay. This is the Broadcom website. Now VMware publishes all their softwares in this website Broadcom, okay. Now you have to create a new account here, so you have to click here and click on register. Now you have to provide your email address. Provided. Now you have to enter the captcha code seen in this image. So let me enter that. Okay, I've entered that. Now let me click on next. Now I will get a verification code on the provided email. So let me give that verification code. Click on verify and continue. Now you have to fill up the form to complete the registration of the account, okay. So now I have to give my first name, my last name. So I have to select my country, India. Now I have to select, let me select other, and here I have to select a password for this account. So I am giving a password of my choice, okay. Now let me click on accept, create account. So see, register successfully. Now click on I want to build my profile, or you can also click on I want to do it later. Let me click on this, I'll do it later. Now see, this dashboard has opened. Welcome to Broadcom support. Now you have to close this window, okay. Now what you have to do, you have to again give the username, means give your email ID that you have created your account, okay. So now let me give my email ID. So I have to give my password here. So let me click on sign in. So it is signing in. So friends, now you can see we have successfully signed in, okay. So now it is loading, let it load. So you can see that we have opened this VMware Workstation Pro, this site. Now what you have to do, you have to download the VMware Workstation Pro for Windows, okay. See, this is the Windows one, VMware Workstation Pro for personal use Windows, okay. Click on this and now download the latest version. I am downloading a 17.6 version. Yes, now okay. You have to agree to the terms and conditions. So you have to click on yes. You have to again fill up this form. So you have to give your address. Okay, you have to give your city, you have to give your state, and you have to give a zip post or a pin code. Okay, you have to provide your full address here. So let me provide. Okay, I have provided my address here. Let me click on submit. No thanks. Now it's loading. It will start downloading after some time. So now click on this button, and now it will successfully start downloading the file. It is a little complicated process to download this. So let it download. So friends, now the file has successfully downloaded. Here you can see. So now let me open this file. So it is opening. See, now you have to click on yes. See, now it's loading. VMware Workstation Pro. It's preparing. So now click on next. Follow the instructions here. Next. On next. Next. Here also next. Click on install. Now it's installing. So for now it has successfully installed. Click on finish. Now let us search here. See, here we have it, VMware Workstation Pro. See, now click on this, use VMware Workstation 17 for personal use. Click on continue, click on finish. Now you can see our VMware Workstation Pro is successfully open. Now it is successfully installed. Now you have to create a virtual machine here. So for that you will need two different files. So the first thing you will need is the macOS ISO. You can download it easily. I will give the link of this website. You can download it easily from here. Just click on this link and it will start downloading. And here you will need the auto unlocker tool. This tool will allow you to download a macOS virtual machine. Will provide you the option to download the macOS, okay, in a virtual machine. So here, download the latest version. I will also provide you this link in the description box, so you can also check out from there. So now click on this unlocker tool, latest one, and now download this zip file. I have already downloaded it. You will just click on this and it will automatically start downloading. Okay, so now I have already downloaded it, so I'm not downloading it anymore. Okay, so now I have already downloaded it. You can see I have the ISO file and I also have the unlocker. So let me extract the unlocker file. We have to patch it. So click on extract all. Click on extract. Here it is successfully extracted. Now you have to click here on Windows, and now you have to run this application called unlock. Okay, so click on this, double click on this and click on yes. See, it's running. So see, it is successfully executed. So now close it. Okay, so now you have to again open the virtual machine Workstation Pro. Okay, so now let me search here VMware Workstation Pro. Open it. So see, it has successfully opened. Now what you have to do, you can create a virtual machine and click on next, and now you have to choose this installer disk image ISO. Click on browse and select the virtual image, and the means the ISO file. See, I have downloaded it, so I have selected it. Click on open. Now click on next. Now see, Apple macOS. If you haven't installed that unlocker, So this Apple macOS will not appear. So now it appeared. Click on Apple macOS and select the version here. See, I'm installing macOS Big Sur, means macOS 11. The later versions do not work properly in the VirtualBox Workstation Pro, so it will not work properly. Other versions 12, 13, macOS 11 Big Sur will work properly, or you can also install the previous versions. Okay, so now click on next. Now click on next here. Now you have to give storage disk. I recommend you to give at least 80 GB. Okay, so now let me click on next. So it is 80 GB. Okay, so click on next. So now click on finish. So friends, now you can see that our virtual machine is successfully created. Okay, so now you have to click on this option, power on this virtual machine. Click on that. Click on OK. See, this is showing an error. Here there is showing an error that the CPU has been disabled by the guest operating system. Power off or reset the virtual machine. Resetting or power offing the virtual machine will not actually be the solution of this problem. I am showing you some steps. Follow that. That will fix this problem. So now shut down this machine for now. Okay, click on shut down. Done. We have shut it down the machine. Now what you have to do? Open your file explorer and go to the document section and click on the virtual machines here. Click on this. Now click on the virtual machine macOS 11. You can see we have. So now see, we have many files here. So we have to find one file here called this file, VMX file. This is a VMX file. The extension of the file will be VMX. In this entire list of files, there will be only one file of the extension that has VMX. Okay, so now only VMX, not LCK, only VMX. Now what you have to do, click on this and right click on this and click on open with here. Click on choose another app and here you have to choose notepad. Okay, click on just once. This will open this document. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to press enter. Okay, now you have to, I will give you a code in the description box. In the description box you have to copy that code and paste it here. So I will give you this code in the description box. This code, this is the code. It starts from S and ends with 8. Okay, this is the actual code. You have to paste it here after the end of the document. Okay, now what you have to do, click on file and click on save and just exit the document. Simple. Now our problem will be fixed. Now just close it and let's again power on the machine. Let's see it now. On OK. Now see, our problem is successfully fixed. Previously there was an error shown, but this time there is no error. Now it is processing. It will take some time, so let it boot up completely. So friends, so our macOS has successfully booted up. Now you have to choose your language, say English, set up like this. Now see, macOS recovery. It will show you 4 options. You have to click on disk utility. Click here, click on continue. So now see, click on this VMware virtual SATA hard drive media. This you have to click on the top one, not this one. You have to click on the top one. Okay, now click on erase. See, erase. Click on here, erase. Now click on erase. Click on done. So now we have successfully done that. Now click on this close button here. Now click on this install macOS Big Sur. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Click on agree. Now see, we have a disk here, untitled disk. Click on here and click on continue. See, now it is being installed. It will take about 15 minutes, it is showing. So let it install. So friends, you can see that it has restarted again and now it's showing about 29 minutes remaining. So let it completely install. So friends, our macOS 11 Big Sur is successfully installed. See, now we have to set it up. During installation it had restarted several times. Okay, so now let me select the country, continue. Now again click on continue, click on not now. Now click on continue. Now click on not now, and I will set the Apple ID later. I will not set it up now. I will click on setup later. Click on skip. Now click on agree. Click on agree. Here you have to give your name, your account name, your password, and you have to again enter your password. Okay. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on continue here also. Here also click on continue. You can enable Ask Siri if you want, and click on continue. So click on do not now. Click on continue again. I'll choose the dark mode. I think for me it's better. So I'll choose the dark mode. Okay. So now I'll click on continue. Setting up your Mac. It's setting up. So friends, now we are successfully done. Our Mac is successfully set up. See, now it's working. See, everything is working properly. See, macOS Big Sur, we can see everything. Okay. So friends, thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you have any queries related to this video, please feel free to comment me on the comment box. And if you like this video, please consider to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on my WhatsApp channel. And you can see there are many things such as App Store, Finder, and in App Store you have to sign into your Apple ID, then you can independently download all the apps of the App Store. Means you can it is almost like real, it will give you a real MacBook experience. So if you want to buy a MacBook, so you can try it now using the virtual machine. So this video is only for educational purposes. Do not use it for any illegal use. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. You can see there are many settings you can change. It's like real Mac OS 11 Big Sur. So don't install any later versions like 12 and 13. Try to install 11 or earlier versions. Thank you for watching. Bye.